Ladies and gents, what's good? What's popping? We got the baby. We got, damn, that's a cat right there, but it's leaving. We ain't going on a cruise with that one. He bringing it back. Got my boy SRT Frost in this brand new Hellcat Durango. Got my boy Fast Life Prince. Damn, that shit loud. Got my boy Fast Life Prince over here. Check out his YouTube too. But yo, we gonna go on a little cruise. Okay, shit. Let me know in the comments which one you guys like better. Put a blue heart or a blue circle for the blue car, white heart, white circle for the white car, green heart, green circle, or just say green, just say the names. Anything guys on, but we're gonna go for a little drive. Just put 500 miles on it so I can actually push it. And that boy gone. Alright, forget that. Alright, jump back in eco. He said he didn't get that. But yeah, we're gonna take you on a little cruise. Nothing too much, you know, we ain't gonna do too much. But we're gonna take you on a little cruise. You know, I got my boy Fast Life Prince. As I said, put down in the comments which car you guys prefer. Is it the blue Hellcat Charger, the white Hellcat Durango, or the green Bunny Q, the slime Bunny Q right there? Eco mode, don't want to push it too much until you get tuned. So, you know, it's technically not pushing it to the limits this video. Oh shit, he's doing a flyby. Wanderers? Probably saw the cop. Oh, that was a hard ass bump. Damn. Come on, Q, let's go, buddy. What? What, the cop? That's on. I mean, he ain't gonna, you know what I'm saying? Wanna go in front? Which map you on? I'm on map 2. Okay, okay. He on map 2, which means he gonna walk the hell out of me in eco mode. I'm in eco! What the fuck you blowing? He gonna walk the hell out of me. I'm in eco mode, he's in map 2, and map 2 on that give him like 400 and something wheel horsepower. So he gonna walk the hell out of me. Alright, I see you, Q. Oh damn, that's a lot of wind noise. I'm gonna just find out all of them. Want to race? Want to race? Ready? Yes, sir. Yo, I see Matthew. There's that boy SRT Frost at the front. Can you hear me? Yeah, I can't hear you. Yeah, I hope that recorded. Huh? Talking all along? It did. No, I didn't hear you all along. I hear it up there. The train told me like somebody else told me. I don't know, maybe somebody else in the traffic of a walkie-talkie. I got to take my traction off. Oh shit, so your traction was on the whole time? Hey, fly, get out. This ain't yours. Your traction was on the whole time? Yeah. Oh. What the fuck? What you said? The car is in front of this car in front of me. The wrong in front of him. Nah, I light out the change already. Watch that SRT Durango, that Hellcat Durango. Damn. Oh shit, that boy's spinning. say I just saw you. What happened?
So nice for Q to join us.
He said, yo, Q, the man a chat shit, dog. He might chat shit. He might chat shit. He said, yo, Q, the man a chat shit, dog. He might chat shit. He might chat shit. That man closed the gap, boy. Damn. Yo. What did we start? I don't know what we started, bro. We started something. Yo, that motherfucker just closed the gap. That BMW, that Lexus, bro. What happened? Go for that, dog. I'm not even in trap mode. We start on something, Lord, brother. Fuck them up. Everything dead. Everything shell. Okay, am I good? Everything dead. Everything dead. Got you. Alright. SRT. That record?
Oh fuck! Madness!
One time. Pause, run donkey. So pause there, as I see. Yo, guys, subscribe to Fast Life Friends. Check out SRT Press on Gram. And I wasn't recording. If I wasn't recording, you're gonna see the dash cam footage. If I was, you'll see the camera footage.